Struggling with your Raynor garage door handle? Here's a quick guide to make it easier to use. Start by identifying the type of handle mechanism on your door. For key-operated handles, insert the key and turn it to unlock. Gently pull the handle to release the door. If it's a manual lock, ensure it's properly aligned before attempting to open. To close the door, pull it down smoothly and lock it securely using the handle's locking mechanism. Regular maintenance, such as cleaning and lubricating the handle, can prevent sticking and ensure smooth operation. If you're facing issues like a jammed or broken handle, it might be time to replace it or consult a professional for repair. With these tips, using your Raynor garage door handle is simple and efficient. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more information about fireplace and garage doors.